Welcome to the family reunion, where everything is peaceful. Well, not exactly. I'm sorry. Oh, wait a minute. Before I bring meat urge, why are you frozen? That is so weird. Why are you frozen? Here, let me wake you up. There you go. Now you are blue, as in blueberries. Bench! Come on, sis. Stop doing that. You deserve it, Annie. Yeah, you do. Oh, yeah, you do, Annie. You deserve it really well. After all those years of treating your sister like that. Oh, come on. I treat my sister fine. Then how come you poop blueberries at me? You poop blueberries on me, Luna. Now, for this part of the reunion, we will now sneeze. Go. More sneezing. I don't see anybody sneezing. Or you can do meat urge. Either one. Blueberries or whatever. Anything except throwing bats. Oh, bless you. How come we don't say bless you after every sneeze? I never thought of that. I'm gonna say bless you for every sneeze that there was in the world. Bless you, bless you, bless you, blah, 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 bless you, bless you. Meat urge, no time for bless you, meat urge. This has been the best family reunion ever.